Well, hello there, my friends, and welcome to Preschool Online. It's Circle Time with Mrs. Mozingo. I'm so glad you could join me today. Let's go ahead and get started by standing up and saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand goes on our heart, our eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let's take that same hand and put it to our side, up next to us, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed in school and life. I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at the date. Today is the 23rd. We have a star because it is our Zoom meeting day. Yay! And we're having a scavenger hunt. So if you are watching this before we get started, I can't wait for the scavenger hunt. And if you're watching it after, wasn't it fun? Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day it is today. Ready to sing? Here we go. Snap it out. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Let's sing it. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Your turn. Here you go.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday.
And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Snap, snap.
Days of the week.
Snap, snap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Awesome. And today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. It's Zoom Day. And next week, I see that birthday cake coming, Judah. It's almost here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weather. Well, we predicted cloudy weather for today, and it's definitely cloudy out there. I think there's some raindrops when I went out earlier. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? I'll get it out. Do you think it's going to be sunny? Sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. Well, I heard someone say sunny. That sounds great. Let's go ahead and put that sunny right there in our prediction square. All right, let's say the alphabet. Are you ready? When we say the alphabet, let's touch our head, shoulders, and toes. So we're going to start off with A, touching our head, B, touching our shoulders, C, grab those toes. One more time, let's try it again. A, touching your head, B, touching your shoulders, C, grab those toes. So D, where's our hands going to go? On our head. Good job. E, shoulders, F, toes. Here we go. G, H, I, say it too. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job. That was hard work and you did it. You know who else has been working hard? Mr. Judah. Let's take a look. Look at that Mr. Judah building his letters. Great job, Judah. I love how you're using your pieces to practice making letters. You know who else is working really hard? Miss Gracie. Look at that smile and all that coloring going on back there. Great job, Gracie. I love to see my friends doing some schoolwork, whether it's our schoolwork or just working with Mommy and Daddy, using those little hands to make pictures, working those little muscles. Don't forget about those scissors. I hope that you are all having fun and staying safe and working those brains. I like it. All right, well, let's work that brain a little bit more by counting to 20. Who thinks they can hop the entire time we count to 20? Do you think you can hop the entire time? Let's see. So it's going to be 1 and a hop, 2 and a hop, 3 and a hop, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Think we can go faster? 10, 11, 12, 13. Are you hopping fast? 14, 15. We go really fast. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you stay up with me? That was really fast hopping. All right, let's count backwards from 10. How about we do some slow hops? 10 and a hop, 9 and a hop, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice hopping. Alrighty, let's find some colors. How about green? Where's green? There she is. It's disgust. And how about a shape? Can we find the heart? Where's that heart? Here it is. It's very small. Let's make it a little bigger heart. Oh, there's a big heart. And what color is our heart? It is pink. Excellent. Our nursery rhyme this week is Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane. And we watched the Shrek video yesterday. Well, today we're going to go ahead and watch the Mother Goose Club video. Here we go.
Mother Goose Club Playhouse. Muffin Man. That was so much fun. Hey, it's the Muffin Man. I'll take one, please. A blueberry.
Here you go, Gianna.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. These are my favorite. Too bad we can't have muffins every day. I should learn to bake. What do you want to be when you grow up? That's awesome! There are so many choices. Look at all the different jobs in our town. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Muffin Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Muffin Lane.
I'll have banana nut tomorrow.
Yum! He's so cool, and I love the muffins he makes. Do you know the fireman, the fireman, the fireman? Do you know the fireman who lives on Fire Lane? Yes, I know the fireman, the fireman, the fireman. Yes, I know the fireman who lives on Fire Lane.
Be careful, kids. Don't play with fire.
Bye. He's very brave and strong. Do you know the businessman, the businessman, the businessman? Do you know the businessman who lives on Business Lane? Yes, I know the businessman, the businessman, the businessman. Yes, I know the businessman who lives on Business Lane.
Success starts with math.
She's so smart. Do you know the cameraman, the cameraman, the cameraman? Do you know the cameraman who lives on Camera Lane? Yes, I know the cameraman, the cameraman, the cameraman. Yes, I know the cameraman who lives on Camera Lane. Light, camera, action. I want to be on camera.
All right, and all of those people are all community helpers. The Muffin Man or the baker, the firefighter, the businesswoman, excuse me, the TV anchor are all community helpers. Let's take a look at some money. What is this one right here? What's the name of that? It is a nickel. How about this one? Dime. This one that has that brown tint to it? Penny. And how about the big one right here? It is a quarter. And Miss Rosalind lost a tooth and she got a silver dollar. And that one's real big. Excuse me, let's look at some numbers. What number is this? 7. And we're going to start working on numbers soon. What number is that? 1, 9, 4, 10, 6, 2, 8, 5, and 3. Our letter this week is the letter Y. Y says yeah, yeah, yeah. I found a video of a boy with a yo-yo. There's Gracie. Let's take a look at that video real fast. He's just a young boy, but look at his cool yo-yo. That's what he can do with it. Look at all the tricks. I could watch him for hours. That's amazing. I can't even make my yo-yo go up and down. All right, it's time to build our letter, making the letter Y. Are we ready? Here we go.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you'd better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Here we go.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Let's get an Reach up. Way up. Is that the top?
This is the top.
Reach out and touch the top. Now going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? This is the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? And we're going to stop it right there because we're running out of time. We have to make the letter Y. Grab our little slide and put it on our Mr. Matt's smiling face. Take our big slide and put it right next to our line. And we say, starting at the top, little slide in, frog jump over, big slide down. Do it with me. Here we go. Starting at the top. Little slide in, frog jump over, big slide down. What letter did we make? Y. Yes. Have a great day, friends. Bye.